So today I'm going to show you how to find your recycle bin on your Facebook. You deleted some comments, you deleted some posts. How do you find them on your Facebook recycle bin? So what you need to do is open the app first. Once you open your app, now how do you find your recycle bin, the things that you have deleted? How do you find them? So what you need to do is click on your profile picture menu here. Once you click on your profile picture, you're going to scroll down and see your settings. Just click on your settings here again. Once you click on your settings, scroll down, you're going to see activities login. Okay, now you can see your activity login. Click on active log. Once you click on active log, you're going to see your trash. Click on your trash, and this is where you're going to see all the trash that you have deleted. You have everything, either your comment, your post, anything you have deleted, you're going to see it here. So it's very simple. You can find it. So let me quickly go and do one so that we'll be able to see it. Okay, so I'm just I'm going to click on my profile here. I'm going to choose one of my. Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can see any post. Okay, let me click on this event. Let me click on this. Let me see if I can. Okay, save post. These are the items that I've saved, so I want to see if I can. Okay, so guys, I wanted to show you, but once you go to it, you'll be able to find on your trash there. It's very simple. Just go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, scroll down and you go to your active log. Go to your activity log, then you're gonna find your trash there. Your post, any post that you've trashed or anything, you're gonna see it there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.